The Freshwater Institute is a program of the Conservation Fund, and we are focused on innovative solutions to water conservation and water resource management. Historically, one of the key focal points of our research has been the development of sustainable fish production technologies. And these are systems that reuse and recycle the water, that create an environment for the fish that matches the requirements of each of the species that we raise. And these are systems that also filter the waste that is generated and clean the water back up so that we don't pollute the environment. In the United States, we import more than 90% of the seafood that we consume. So the government recognizes this trend, and for over 20 years we've been funded to research and develop sustainable aquaculture production technologies. And I think this also fits nicely into the model of the Conservation Fund in that this is an out-of-the-box unique approach. It's an approach that we think will be part of the future of the aquaculture sector. And really, I think it matches up with what the Conservation Fund is all about, which is making conservation work for America. I work on specific aquaculture projects that involve our recirculating aquaculture systems, and usually a specific fish species that we're interested in that has importance to the industry, such as rainbow trout or Atlantic salmon. So I'll carry out specific research projects and collect data on fish performance, water quality, and other aspects of the system. I'll then take the data and analyze it, do statistical analysis, and then ultimately I produce scientific peer-reviewed papers that are published in industry journals so we can share that information with industry and important stakeholders. So there's a social aspect to this as well for folks that are conservation-minded. And in fact, one of the key watchdogs for seafood sustainability is the Monterey Bay Aquarium, and they recently ranked the salmon that are produced in RAS systems as the best choice. There's a lot of reasons I look forward to going to work every day at the Freshwater Institute. The first thing that comes to mind are the people that I work with. I work with a lot of really smart people who are also very passionate and driven about what they do. And I think that's something that you find across the Conservation Fund. I know that our work is making a difference in the U.S. and to the industry as a whole. And it's very rewarding to actually see what we do at the Freshwater Institute being implemented in the field.